class. Today we will be learning about the rule of proportion for the drawing of the head. Okay, so we'll be studying how to calculate and draw all the boxes and where to place your eyes, your nose and your lips in the face. Okay, we'll be doing front view and side view. Okay, now we have a piece of paper and we need ruler and we need pencil. So we are going to start illustrating the face, okay, the head, okay. Now I'm going to do a drawing, okay. I'm going to draw a straight line first. This will be line A to B, okay. So I want this line maybe to be 13 cm, okay. So if you can see, I'm marking 13 cm from 0 to 13, okay. So I will call this my A line and this my B line. Okay, class, so far so clear, right? Okay, so I'm going to go down like 1 cm from the A line, okay, to mark the hairline, okay, mark the hairline of the face, okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this, okay, this hairline, I will call it line C, okay. So this hairline from C to B, okay, I'm going to divide into 3, okay. C to B divide into 3. So C to B is equals 12 cm divide into 3 means 4, correct? So each part I'm going to divide into 4. Okay, so I'm going to place this as point D, donkey, okay, and this as point E, elephant. Okay, so far clear? Okay, if clear, I'm going to erase this calculation off so that we can continue with our drawings. So basically, now we are going to create the rectangle. Now we have straight line already, okay. As you see from our handout, it's actually a rectangle first. So there will be a rectangle shape, okay, there will be a rectangle shape, alright. Then there will be circles inside, a face shape formed, okay. So now how do I create the circle for the head? Okay, this one, pay attention, yeah. Measurement from D to A, okay, is the radius of the circle, okay. So what is the measurement? Okay, if you have, what is that called, the compass thingy, okay, the compass thing where you point and you draw, you can use that, okay. For now I don't have the compass, alright, so I'm going to do the old-fashioned style measurement, okay. So old-fashioned style measurement is like, because A to D is the radius, correct, I'm going to create circle. So a perfect circle should be the same measurement if this is the midpoint, correct. So A to D is 5 cm, means the rest of the circles have to be like 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. So I'm creating like I have 10 cm here, okay, like this is 5 cm, this is 5 cm, and horizontally I'm going to put 5 cm, 5 cm as well. Okay, when I want to get a very perfect line, I actually use this ruler, okay, because it helps me check if the lines are 90 degrees, okay. So you see, so as we know just now, okay, as we know just now, you see all the lines are straight, correct. So straight means these lines are sitting on this line, okay. So I'm going to draw 5 cm from here, 1 2 3 4 5. So you see, I don't have the compass, so I have to do it manually, so it takes time. 1 2 3 4 5. If you guys have compass, you can straight away use the compass to draw this out, huh? Okay, and then I'm going to just like do a 45-degree angle just to check if I can get a 5 cm. Okay, I have 1 2 3 4 5 cm here. 1 2 3 4 5 cm here. Okay, this one is a very traditional way to do the compass, like the perfect circle. Okay, okay, now I have okay, wait, all right, got it. So I'm going to like 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. I think it's here. Okay, so now I have all the points. I'm gonna make the circle. See, I don't have a compass. You guys can use the compass to create perfect circle. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go around. Okay, so I have a circle now. So once I have this circle, so you'll be using compass, correct? So your circle will be more perfect than mine. My circle is edgy everywhere. Okay, so once you have all this circle, now you can actually start drawing the lines at the side here. At the side, okay, at the side here, like this. Alright, they have to be parallel with this line. So for me, I like to measure everything because I'm doing a face, so I want everything to be perfect. So I know the distance between D to this point, the end of the circle, is 5 cm. So I am going to draw another 5 cm so that I get a very straight parallel line with no flaws. Okay, a bit perfect lah, you know, be perfectionist mah, good mah. Okay, and then same goes to the other side as well, because once we have the radius and all, it's good for us, I mean the circular radius and all, it's good for us to form the rectangular shape. Okay, I'm gonna draw. Okay, and then I'm going to draw these lines, you know. So as I say, I like to use this stick ruler to make sure that they are actually 90 degrees. Okay, how do I check whether they are 90 degrees or not? Okay, basically you place your ruler here, see, and if your straight lines fall on this line, that means the line that you're going to draw here will be 90 degrees. Okay, so at every point, which is A, C, okay, C also I'm going to create a parallel line. Okay, and then for D also I'll be creating the parallel line. Okay, and then for E also I'll be creating a parallel line. Okay, what else? So for now, and then the B at the bottom here, also close it up. Also the lines have to be parallel. Okay, now we get our box, our rectangular. Okay, so our face is going to be inside this box. Okay. Okay, now we have the placement of all this. We have drawn all this line, but we are not done yet. Okay, we are going to find where is the placement of the eye. Okay, so basically, okay, this area, which is A, no, you have to divide A to B into half. Okay, when you divide A to and B, okay, which is A and B just now how much? 13 cm, correct? 13 cm divide into half, how much? 6.5 cm, right class? Right or not? Later I draw wrong. Okay, should be right. Okay, so once I got this middle line, I'm going to draw the parallel line. Okay, this parallel line, this line will be the line H to I. This is where your eye will be placed. This line H to I. Okay. Okay, after finding the eye line, okay, what we are going to do now is we are going to create the, what are we going to create now? The chin area. Okay, so what do? Okay, we need to make an oval shape corresponding to the circle. Okay, means you have to do a soft curve for the chin, okay, to establish the width of the temple, okay, the cranium, and also the face. So let's do it. So basically, you see this ends here, right? Okay, from here we pick it up and we curve it and we meet at the chin. Okay, same goes, go back up here. Okay, I'm pretty sure it won't be balanced. See? Okay, now it was balanced. Okay, so draw this. So basically, do the soft curves. Okay, alright, then now we can get into the details of drawing the eye. Okay, what is the placement for the eye? Just now I did mention the H to I is the measurement of the eye placement. So basically this line is the measurement of eye placement. How do we calculate this? Okay, we have to divide H to I into, divide into 5. So this line we know it is 10 cm, correct? So 10 cm we are going to divide into 5, means 2 cm. Okay, 2 cm, another 2 cm, another 2 cm, another 2 cm, and 2 cm. Okay, so I can tell you the eye placement is here. This is where your eye will be. Upper eyelid, okay, lower eyelid. Remember last week you guys got draw all these, right? Don't forget, yeah? Okay, so because later you need to put all this in. Okay, once you have your eye, you put your eye there. Okay, and now for your nose placement. Okay, just now remember this is the E line, correct? Okay, E line will be the line where you place your nose. So how do you calculate the nose? Parallel, come down. Okay, this measurement is from here. I'm going to draw a dotted line. Okay, alright, and same this way. I'm going to draw a dotted line to mark that this point will be my nose placement. I'm going to erase the E away, yeah. Okay, I'm going to erase the E away because I want to draw my nose. Okay, so basically we have learned about drawing nose last week during class. Okay, so basically front view is a circle here and a circle here and a circle here. Okay, and then what did we do? Okay, now we got our nose. We placed our nose on the face. Okay, we have eye, we have nose. Okay, okay, now for the mouth. Okay, you see this bottom of the circle, the base of this circle, I'm going to draw a parallel, the horizontal line again. Okay, I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. This base of this circle is the top part of the lip. Remember, the top part of the lip. Okay, the top part of the lip. Don't draw that high. Wait. Okay, because my lip is here. Okay, the base is here, so my top part of the lip. Okay, class, now let's find my bottom part of the lip. Bottom part of the lip. How are you going to find the bottom part of the lip? The measurement from the top part of the lip to the chin, which is point B, divide into half. So I have 3 cm here. If I divide this into half, I get 1.5 cm here. So I'm going to draw another horizontal line parallel to the upper lip. Okay, this is my lower lip line. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we already determined the placement of the lips. Okay, now we are going to determine the width of the lip. So where does it start and where does it end? Correct? So we are going to find the width of the lips. How do we find the width of the lips? We divide this into 3. This eye line here. Okay, 10, right? 10 divided to 3 is 3.3 like that. Okay, so I'm going to put 3.3. I'm going to put another 3.3. Right, and another 3.3. Okay, we got that already. So we must make sure one thing, that since this and this is 3.3, must make sure this one, the length is equivalent to this. Alright, so let's measure how much is this. 1 point. Okay, let me just mark it here. Usually I will just mark it on the ruler. Okay, almost there. Alright, so I'm going to draw this line down. Okay, and then this line as well. I'm going to draw it down. Okay, so I know my lip is going to be like that. So now we can draw lah, upper lip, lower lip, huh? So you want your lip to be like Kylie Jenner, you know, up to you. Okay, so I'm doing my lip like that. Okay. I'm going to draw all these lines. Okay, so now once I have the lips placement, okay, to draw the neck we can just draw the lines, okay, and then we can just start drawing from the end. Okay, see, this point is the end. Okay, when you lengthen the lower lip line, this will be labeled N and this will be labeled O. Okay, these are the same line, N and O. Okay, so when you're drawing the neck, okay, it begins from the N line, okay, and then it goes down, okay, and from here it goes down, okay, and then for the middle part, of course, it curves up, okay, so you get the neck. Now we have all the calculation nicely, you know, let's draw this V line to get a proportionate, okay, proportion. Okay, now we are going to go into the details, okay, like the hairline. Okay, if we follow the hairline from the reference, it is usually going like that, okay, right, and then I'm going to draw the ear as well. So the ear basically is more to here, this line, okay, and then I'm going to draw the ear and it ends on the nose line. The ear usually ends on the nose line. So, oh sorry, I was drawing out. So, okay, this is the ear that ends at the nose line, begins from this line. Okay, now I'm going to draw my eyelid. Okay, this one is my eye and all that, correct? And then I'm going to draw my eyebrow. Okay, your eyebrow will be on this line. Okay, so once you do it, just draw your eyebrow. Okay, remember when you draw the front nose, it will be more like this type of, so this will connect to your eyebrow. Same thing, connect to your eyebrow as well. Okay, once you connect to your eyebrow, then make sure, remember when you last week when you draw the eye, there were double eyelids, okay, remember, right? Then there's eyelashes, and then the pupil illustration, all in details. Okay, last week we learned all that, right? So please implement all this in the drawing, make it perfect. So I gave you the calculation of the, okay, doing the eyelid, now drawing the eyelashes, okay, see, fast drawing. Okay, alamak, here got divide 5 lah. Okay, and then after you get your after you get all the parts, okay, make sure you draw in all the lines properly. Okay, chin area, alright, and then what else? we can draw the jaw lines, okay, because these are all considered the jaw lines, correct? So we are gonna maybe make it more, okay, right. Follow your reference, yeah. And then the hairline, okay, so remember the hairline here as well, okay, parted with the, alright class. So basically that's how we illustrate the face by measurement, okay. So basically after you done with the whole illustration, erase off all these lines, okay. I mean for class practice you don't have to erase, but when you are like at least practicing until 3 or 4 or 5, can try to erase the line to see the head effect, okay. Or when you're drawing the 4th or 5th of the head, maybe when you're drawing the boxes and all the lines, you can use the light line, you know, lightly, instead of drawing solid lines, okay. So this is for the front view. So far clear? If any question, please ask, and the handout will be uploaded on EMS as well, okay. So there is like a step to step also, but verbally, yeah, I mean in written form, okay. You can try to read and understand it, okay. If you can't understand it, you can watch the video as well, okay. So that's it for the front view.